Healthcare services and facilities in the Mohawk Valley continue to expand and are among the finest in New York State. Despite what most people believe, there are a lot more options for healthcare professionals other than doctors and nurses. There are also careers in medical research and administrative careers. The Mohawk Valley is home to many different healthcare facilities, including St. Elizabeth's Medical Center, St. Elizabeth's School of Nursing, Faxton St. Luke's Healthcare, and the Masonic Care Community, among many others. Jobs in healthcare offer great pay, opportunities for advancement, and require anywhere from a few months of training to a college degree, depending on the discipline. Annual salaries after 3 to 5 years of experience range from $20,000 to over $150,000 a year.
My name is Dr. Andy Lopez-Williams. I'm originally from Utica, New York, and I work at ADHD and Autism Psychological Services and Advocacy. I'm a clinical psychologist, and I spend my day doing comprehensive assessments and treatment services. I specialize in the areas of ADHD and autism across the lifespan. And I do a lot of outside work, including consulting, as well as advocacy for persons who need it in their communities, such as in school systems for kids or in residential settings for adults. I got my bachelor's degree at University at Buffalo. I stayed there to do my graduate work. Received my PhD there, and I also did my clinical residency at University of Washington in Seattle. To be honest, I don't do a whole lot of recreational stuff out of work, maybe play rock band once in a while. But really, it affords me to do a lot of things that are related to what I really love, which is to try and improve the systems of care for people with mental health disorders. Personally, I started my own company, which is ADHD and Autism Psych Services. But I've also branched out and with some other key persons in the region. We're starting a nonprofit organization to be able to do that more broadly and effectively in areas that a private agency doesn't allow for. So I spend a lot of my outside time either doing that or playing with my dogs or obviously spending time with my wife.
My name is Julia Monahan, and I go to St. Elizabeth's College of Nursing. I wanted to be a nurse because I went to a program like BOCES. It's called VOTEC in Michigan, and they had a lot of different programs there, the CNA program and the phlebotomy program, and they all really turned me on to the medical field. In nursing school, we have the lecture part of the class, which is you have so many hours in lecture, but the best part is the clinical part where you go actually into the hospitals. This year we have, your freshman year, you have the fundamentals course, the psych course, and the med-surg course where you actually go into the hospital and you work in those types of areas. The thing that I like most about Mohawk Valley is that there are so many different places to go to school. So if you're a nurse and you want to go on your bachelor's, there's SUNY, there's Utica, and everything's in this area. There's a lot of different places to work at, especially in the medical field. I mean, you got 2 different hospitals, the nursing homes. So there's a lot of opportunity in the medical field here. Originally, I'm from California. I met my husband in the West Coast. We decided to move back here, and economy-wise, it's just so much easier for us. In California, our apartment, like we have a 3-bedroom apartment here in California, it would have been closer to $2,000. Here, it's something that we can actually afford and not have to have roommates, or actually for a young couple, it's a good place to be in. We want to start a family here. We'll start here, but we have to see wherever the military takes us or my job takes us, but it's a good place to start off.